The problem with helicopter is noise. Means helicopter generally produces 100 decibel of noise, which is not suitable for city commutes or daily commutes. Whereas in air taxis, eVTOL, because of the engineering of the blades, rotating blades has reduced to 65 or 60 decibel, which is kind of a good thing for daily city commutes, and you will feel it's just a hum sound of these air taxis. What do you think about the safe sound, which should not be the noise in the cities of an air taxi? Let me know in the comment. And do you believe that sound or the noise about 20 decibel should not be happening in the cities? Let me know in the comment.